In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel's custom URL. So when I first created my custom URL, I was told by YouTube that I would not be able to change my URL. So I made my URL and I really wasn't happy with it, but I knew that I couldn't change it, so I just never used it. And then someone told me you can't change it, but you can delete it and create a new one. So I kind of felt a little misled, but I was super happy that I could change it. So in this video, I will show you how to do just that. While you're logged into your YouTube account, head on over to aboutme.google.com, and I'll put that URL in the description box below. Now that we're here, page down to the bottom where it says About. This is where you have your custom URL. Counterintuitively, you will click the URL. You'd think that would actually take you to your YouTube channel, but it takes you to some information about your URL. You can click Remove to remove the URL from your account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it's asking you, is this okay? Do you really want to remove this URL from your account? It will no longer direct people to your YouTube channel. So I do want to keep this URL, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will remove it. So let's remove it. So now I don't have a URL associated with my YouTube account that's nice, short, and related to the name of my channel. So now I need to add a new one to my channel. In order to get a URL added to your account, go to youtube.com/account. Under your channel, click View Advanced Settings. And right here under Custom URL, it should say you're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Click that button. So here you can select from names that they've chosen for you. I like the Curious Coder because that's the name of my channel. I can select the Curious Coder and add something a little special to it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm just going to select the Curious Coder. I'm going to check the box I have read and agreed to the terms of use and change URL. And it says here you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. That's not necessarily true. You can again delete it and create a new one. You just can't come in and maybe take the R off the end or something. It's kind of strange how they word it. It kind of confused me at first. I thought I only had one go at it, but you can change your custom URL, I think up to 6 times a year. So I'm going to confirm choice, and now I have my custom URL back, the Curious Coder. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the short style of this video and would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.